You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. In my previous video, this video right at this very area, I talk about that the market is going to have reduced momentum, and we're going to have reduced momentum on the histogram as well, and market is going to move in the form of retracement before coming back to the downside. But what we see here is reduced momentum, markets fly up to this point of resistance. So on the 4-hour chart, you see markets is at this level of resistance with the MACD very much active with increased momentum, and on the 4-hour chart ETH the same thing, market at that very important resistance level. So what are we paying attention to today in the market as we are waiting for the CPI data? All of these and more in today's video. Watch this video to the end, and if you're new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Also leave a like and share this video. On the 1-day chart BTC USDT, I was talking about the market having reduced momentum to the downside before we see the market move to the upside, and that we're going to see reduced momentum on the histogram. That's the red bars here, and we are going to see likely formation of the green bars on the positive side of the MACD, and that is exactly the same thing that happened right here. If you look at it, market move all the way from this area to this very point where the market is now of 24.3k. What I am expecting right now, seeing the market has moved all the way from this area to this very level with this very strong momentum compared to when the market was going down, it is an indication that the market have enough strength to move to the upside. Because if you look at it, the market takes just 4 candles, 1 2 3 4 candles to get to this very point of resistance. And if you look at it from here, market takes up to or more than 10 candles from this very point to this area. So that means there is a strong momentum to the upside. That means the bears are not very much in the market compared to the bulls. And what I am paying attention to is this very level of resistance. After the CPI data today, which I am employing you to wait for the data to come out, what I am expecting is the market to move to the upside. Not very aggressive move to the upside compared to what we see right here last month CPI data. Because the market has already moved to the upside this very much up to this point of resistance, a breakout here will make the market to move a little bit to the upside and then come back down in form of a retracement before continuation again to the upside. And then we have also to watch the MACD histogram at this very point. We've already seen the crossover between the MACD line and the signal line. An increase in momentum of the MACD histogram with green bars also indicate that the market is also going to move to the upside. Market can move a little bit, then come back down from the retracement before continuation to the upside. So pay attention to this very level of resistance, and we have to wait for the CPI data to be released today. So this is what I am expecting today on the 1-day chart BTC USDT. And on the 4-hour chart, what I'm paying attention to here is very simple. The markets will either consolidate within this area waiting for the CPI data before a breakout, or we're going to see the market retrace back down before continuation to the upside. But we can see a retracement before continuation, or we are going to see the market will consolidate within this area of resistance before a breakout to the upside. So wait for this CPI data. Is very important because it's going to impact on the market. On ETH, the same thing, already at this very level of resistance right here, and it's very important we wait for the market to react. A breakout here is going to make the market move sharply to the upside, because this area have resisted the market for a very long time. We have this very area resistance here, we have resistance here, and right now resistance at this area as well, which is very important. So a breakout here is going to make the market to move to the upside. We are also going to pay attention to the MACD. It has started formation on the positive side, and increased momentum right here also mean that the market is going to move to the upside in this direction. And on the 4-hour chart ETH, expect the market to consolidate within this area. We are going to see consolidation at this very area, or we're going to see the market retrace back down before continuation to the upside. Don't expect too much move on the 4-hour chart on ETH anymore, because market has moved all the way from this area. Market will not move that much even though it breaks out on this level of resistance. So what you have to pay attention to is the market consolidate within this area, the consolidation before breakout, or we want to see the market retrace back down before we break out, or if you see the market just move up, don't bother much. Market is going to retrace as well before continuation to the upside. So this is what I am paying attention to right now on the 4-hour chart ETH and 4-hour chart BTC. What do you think about the BTC charts on the 1 day? Do you think this market is going to break this level of resistance and move sharply to the upside, or we're going to see some level of pause within this area of resistance? Comment below in the comment section of this video, and if you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for all that educational content. Leave a like and don't forget to share this video. If you've not registered on Binance, OKX, $600 bonus on Bybit when you use the affiliate link down below this video. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.